Hi, I'm Andrew Bokov with Python MC, and this is my song. I call it Time Travel because it's about a time traveler who gets stuck in several different times and has to escape. I will now play it for you.
Huh?
Now, I'll give you a tour of my code. As you can see, I have it split up into sections. And then I have it play all the sections at the end. Each section is a different part of the song. So this is the first section. This is the second section. This is the third section. And the whole last part is the fourth section. All of this. This works by playing all the music within these sections and then calling each function afterwards. Thank you for your time.